Hi everyone, I'm Elektra, and this is the Glampire Labs show. In today's show, we bring you very useful recommendations on automation to improve your productivity, AI tools for fashion design, and as always, some curious and strange news related to the world of AI. Before you start, remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Mr. Random, what strange things do you bring today?
This section is sponsored by Orbit and Provoke. If you need to take a qualitative leap in your growth marketing actions or are looking to implement content generated with artificial intelligence in your project, contact Glampire Labs today to learn more about our Orbit and Provoke services. Thanks, Elektra. Today I have a series of strange cases of great interest to everyone. The first one has to do with material science. Yo, check this out, dude. Google's GNoME AI, cooked up by the same brains behind AlphaFold, is like changing the game in material science. It's like this turbocharged wizard that predicts the structure of new materials crazy fast. This AI wizardry is a big deal for stuff like solar energy, making better batteries, and cranking out computer chips. GNoME is like the superhero of material discovery and tech.
GNoME is a tool designed for something pretty special in science. Its full name is Graph Networks for Material Exploration, and it's all about using deep learning, a type of artificial intelligence, to figure out the structure and characteristics of new materials just from their chemical makeup. Why is this important? Well, materials play a huge role in our lives. It can quickly tell us if a material will be stable, the energy required to create it, and its structure.
Incredible! The second one I've got for you is about character animation. This tool turns still pictures into moving videos using specific cues. Right now, most research in creating visuals leans towards diffusion models because they're really good at generating stuff. But when it comes to turning images into videos, especially for characters, there are still some tricky issues. To make sure the details stay sharp, human IGC created something called ReferenceNet, which pays extra attention to all the little features. Let's take a look. Just imagine the possibilities this could unlock for products and content on social media. Among other things, if you are interested in having the life of an influencer without leaving home, how about becoming an AI influencer or model? Right, Elektra? Check out my new crush AI model called Aitana. With more than 157,000 followers and earns $15,000 a month, is so crazy.
Aitana Lopez, the AI creation has a surname, is the brainchild of Barcelona-based communication agency The Clueless, who say that real models are too expensive. You have to pay to fly them around, give them clothes and trips and all that. So instead, we're just going to do artificial intelligence. And by the way, like if you go to the account for this AI creator, it doesn't hide that they're fake. It's right there in the description. If you can go to graphic 7, it says that they're an AI creation. They're a digital creator. And the thing about this that I find so fascinating.
That's all for now. Alex, what automation tools do you bring today?
This section is sponsored by Spark. Are you looking to automate your processes and services using the most advanced artificial intelligence? Contact Glampire Labs and ask about Spark, our AI automation and development service. Thanks, Mr. Random. My first recommendation for today have to do with ChatGPT. If you have encountered problems when automating your corporate emails to communicate with your clients and prospects, this is the solution. The possibility of automating corporate emails using ChatGPT. Let's see how it works.
Automate responses to business emails with ChatGPT and Google Sheets. So here you can see that when you get a new email, you pull that into OpenAI's ChatGPT. It then goes into Google Sheet and finds data in a row back to OpenAI again and then sends an email or actually creates a draft. An example I can see is if the email contains maybe sponsor or partnership or collaboration in the email, ChatGPT takes that and provides a specialized prompt that I gave to it that we pretty much send to anybody that wants to be sponsors, even personalize their name and make it unique and specific with ChatGPT. I know many people spend hours a week on email, so this can help you out.
Do you want to save time and money through automations and artificial intelligence? At Glampire Labs, we leverage the most advanced tools in the market to create applications and AI automated workflows that empower all our members to exponentially boost their productivity. Incredibly easy. To close, let's talk about the possibility of automating your content creation process. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification so you don't miss any of our videos. It is clear that most of the time we content creators suffer when it comes to establishing a fast and replicable workflow that allows us to maintain consistency. This flow allows us to automate it. Let's take a look.
Generate LinkedIn draft posts from TikTok videos with ChatGPT. I'm gonna click on this get this template. You can see the automation is pretty long, but it's pretty basic all at once. Essentially, the email extracts an URL, and once we have that exact URL, we go to this rapid API get MP3 that makes an MP3 out of the video. We feed that MP3 into this transcript, the whisper again, and then we create a LinkedIn post out of it that then sends it back to the email again. Such a fast way of creating content or repurposing the content you already have. I might actually start using this, but I would make it trigger on when I upload a new TikTok video instead of sending it an email.
This section is sponsored by Provoke, Glampire Labs special AI content creation services. If you are an influencer, artist, or content creator and are having trouble creating your AI content, feel free to contact us today. What useful tools, Alex? And Mr. Random, I'm happy to see the success of my friend Aitana.
You are not far behind Elektra, diosa of Olympus. How many times, love, I loved you without seeing you, and perhaps without memory, without recognizing your look, without looking at you.
Enough. Getting into my topics today. Have you ever felt the need to have a styling assistant? Well, there is already a very useful AI assistant to solve that problem. Blinkn is an Amazon shopping assistant, ready to help you find the perfect products effortlessly. Let's see how it works. In the text box, just enter your request or use the default ones and that's it. Super useful results instantly. To close today's show, let's talk about a tool that will allow us to print and send any AI design on our clothes. It's called Artificial Printer, and they have interesting packages for creators and an affiliate program. It's easy to use. You just need a good prompt, a few clicks, and that's it. And well, friends, that's all for today. We hope that all of our recommendations this week are useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell.